Trading is everywhere today. But what is trading and how does it really work? In this Fintana guide, we'll explain it step by step for beginners so you can understand the markets and start trading confidently. Trading is buying and selling financial assets to take advantage of price movements. From Forex to cryptocurrencies, it lets you explore opportunities in global markets every day. At Fintana, trading is redefined with CFDs, allowing you to speculate on price movements without owning the assets. Trade Forex, Commodities, Indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals, all from one platform. Our WebTrader platform gives you 20+ advanced analytics tools, cross-device functionality, and support to help you create strategies and master market volatility. We also provide free educational resources for beginners and advanced traders alike. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Visit fintana.com, sign up, and start trading today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.